Okay, starting with the next scheduling algorithm, that is disk scheduling algorithm, that is scan scheduling. Okay, this is the third disk scheduling algorithm, scan scheduling. Okay, in scan scheduling algorithm, we have to go from one process. Okay, the process will be described later now. Okay, the same question will consider the tracks are, you can just consider these tracks only, 95, 180, 34, 119, 11, 123, 62 and 64. Okay, so these are the tracks we have been given and we have to solve it according to the scan scheduling algorithm. Okay, now we'll see and the initial point, the initial position is again the 50 and we have to calculate total head moment as a and seek times. Okay, these two things we have to calculate. Okay, let us start with this. In scan scheduling algorithm, our first position is at the at the 50. Okay, so because we have given in the question only that your initial head of the read write head is at the 50 location. Okay, so we'll start at the 50. Okay, now where we have to move? Okay, that's the question, where we have to move. In a scan scheduling algorithm, we have to move, first of all we have to move toward the 0. Okay, we have to move toward the 0 and from 0 we'll move toward the another side. Okay, so from if you want to move toward the 0, then we have to first service the 34. Okay, then second we have to service 11, then after that we have to go at the 0. Okay, remember we are going at 0 point. 0 is not a track given for servicing. Okay, 0 is not a track which has been given for servicing, but still we are going at the 0 in scan scheduling algorithm. Okay, and we will be having one more scheduling algorithm, that is a look scheduling algorithm, in which we will not go to the 0. That will be same as the scan scheduling algorithm. Okay, so in the scan scheduling algorithm we have started with the 50. We will go towards the 0. Okay, we'll go towards the 0 by servicing all the tracks which will come in between of us. Okay, so we'll move to the 0 by servicing 34, 11. Okay, so two tracks have been serviced, so 34 and 11 are done. So 34 and 11 are done. Okay, these two tracks have been serviced. Now we'll move to the another end. We'll move to the another end by servicing the first 62. Okay, we'll move to the first by 62. Okay, after the 62 we'll service 64. Okay, after servicing 64 we'll move towards the 95. Okay, then we'll move towards 119. Okay, then 119, after 119 we will service 123. Okay, and after 123 we will service 180. Okay, so 180 is also serviced. Okay, we will not go at the 199. Okay, in scan scheduling algorithm we are going to the 0. That is one thing, but okay, but when we are moving toward the other end, then we will not go up to the 199, the last. Okay, we will go to the one which is at the last track. Okay, the last track is 180. Okay, so we have serviced 62, 64, 95, after that 119, after that 123, after that 180. Okay, so all are serviced. Okay, so now you can easily calculate, this is the point A, this is point B, and this is point C. Okay, so you will be very easy for calculation of total head moment. Total head moment is equal to from A to B 50. This is 50 minus 0. Okay, so 50 minus 0, 50 minus 0 plus 50 minus 0. After that from B to C, 180 minus 0, 180 minus 0, 180 minus 0. So the total head moment is equal to how much? 230 tracks. Okay, now we have to calculate the seek time. Okay, seek time, if we will calculate, seek time is equal to total head moment multiplied by seek time. Okay, and here we have considered the seek time as a 5 millisecond. Okay, so 230 multiplied by 5 will give you 1150 millisecond, that is seek time. So this is the seek time in scan scheduling algorithm. Okay, so in scan scheduling algorithm, I'm just revising again. So we'll start at the A, that is from 50 we will start, and we'll move toward the 0. Okay, we'll move toward the 0 by servicing all the tracks which will come in between of us. So we were moving toward the 0, so बीच में आया 34, then we'll move to the 11, then 11 to 0, but 0 is it's not the track we are going to service. Now from 0 we'll move to the another side. From 0 we'll service 34, 11 are already serviced, 62, 64, 95, 119, 123, 180. So all are service. Okay. So then we can calculate THM, that is total head moment is equal to 230 because 50 minus 0, then 180 minus 0. Okay. So 230 track. And then seek time 230 multiplied by 5, that is 5 is the seek time. So calculating the seek time is equal to, this is not the seek time, this is the seek rate. Okay, this is the seek rate. So seek rate will get seek time is equal to 1150 millisecond. Okay, thank you so much.